Changing your account currency on TransferGo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your currency settings easily. Step 1. Log in. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Go to account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Select currency options. In the account settings menu, look for the currency options or preferences section where you can view your current currency settings. Step 4. Choose your desired currency. From the list of available currencies, select the one you wish to change to. Ensure that it is supported by TransferGo. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your desired currency, make sure to save the changes. You may need to confirm your selection through an email or notification. After completing these steps, your account currency will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to TransferGo's customer support for assistance.